Congratulations to Runza's Student of the Week.
Hi, I'm Maddie Bastian, and I'm a senior at Arlington High School.
Maddie has a 4.33 GPA and is captain of the dance team. She is a three-sport athlete, treasurer of FBLA and National Honor Society, vice president of Student Council, drum major, and attended Girls State.
To me, being a leader here at Arlington High School means being responsible and being helpful to people. I really enjoy being on dance team here at this school. It's not just an activity at our school. We are hardcore going to be at practice every time we have practice, and we're going to work that whole time.
Band, horns.
My role as a drum major is conducting the band at halftime. I just really enjoy it. It's a lot of fun.
Maddie is an exceptional young lady, youth leader. Had her for 8 years in our 4-H club, and she's excelled in everything that she's done.
In 10 years, I hope to be almost done with med school and almost done with college, and then becoming a pediatrician right after that.
Maddie, congratulations, you're the Runza Student of the Week.